head is like, I feel like a bucket. No. Something new from Britney? No, it's like, early morning, I'll wake up, knock, knock, knock at the door. It's time for BlackJack, perfect smile. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, for the healer. Let's go with the previous round, right? Say, double. Jocu, double down, 19. Alright, Pavel. Ah yeah, it's Zahi. Not the Zahi, apologies. Step. Double. 20 and double. 14. Who you gonna call to dealer busters, ladies and gentlemen? Everyone won. Especially double down for Mistala and Zahi. At Webster's, one Webster asked, can I say that, say hello to my little friend on the Russian table? And I'm like thinking, скажи привет моему маленького друга. That's close. Yeah, but on the Russian table. And be like, alright, Queen of Diamonds for dealer. Ooh, no, it's actually not alright. Bad. 16. Oh, it's like only few. Actually, 2. 17. The guest Steve. Welcome, by the way. You're a sneaky one. Didn't notice you. How do you join? You're like a stalker. And you don't know him. Ooh. Alright, 15 Powell. Max Powell. Where was Max Powell? That's a movie. Max Powell. Or just Powell. Maybe not Max. Maybe different Powell. Force it to many Makanas. Hit. Stand. Missile. Alright, 14 for the dealer. Oh, we need a dead Jack. But here comes another Jack. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. Oh, for us, do. Please do. Right, dealer boss. Congratulations to the winners of the round. As we see, Makonash sometimes better safe than sorry the best way to go. But we never know. Right? It's like everyone's smart after the war. That's close. And Vadash. Ooh. Yeah, I actually really counted to get another too many 10 of clubs for you, but the good thing I didn't, because then I would lose, I would go wild. Alright, Zahi, still in the game, right? Maybe that's oof. Alright, stand all the way, let's see what the other has. As always, low card, like edition, nothing has changed. How about high one and another Jack and a dealer bust? Everyone won, alright. Especially what is with the BlackJack victory. Considers us sad, but it's flush going wild. Yeah, and so close for sweeter treats, then I would be like, why? But further huge compliments on mixed pair 6 on there. At least something, right? Alright. That's close. Seven of diamonds for the dealer. And 15. Diggers would have us right. It's like, I think 7 is not the worst card because, come on, it's like 10 or 8. Those are 2 cards we don't want. Force it to make. Powell. Max Powell. It's like Bond. James Bond. I would go Dinas. Dealer Dinas. Too many. 20. So, will be enough, or you have a 6th sense and you feel an ace? No, stand, right? I would be amazed and afraid. Fortunately, 17, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations, Markonos, Zahi. 5th win in a row. It's Mambo number 5. A little bit of money in my life. A little bit arrogant by my side. A little bit of Rita is all I need. A little bit of Tina is what I seek. Let's go for double digits now. That's close. Cutting card. Yippee-ki-yay, blackjack. Ooh la la, Mr. La. Congratulations already, right? Flush, 5 on payout, and feta, 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 feta. You are so beautiful. I just cannot explain the words. You are my heart. Sadness. Perfect pair, 25 on payout, and 3 and 5 card. 30-1, right? That kind of round makes perfect hit, and then not a perfect hit. Okay, no perfect hit for you, Pablo. You're James Bond, you know, you're kind of Bond, yeah. You're 15, it'll be enough. If I stretch, it's a stand. How about you? Stand it is, right? A deuce, macanache, oh my. What we gonna do with the 2? Right, macanache? You see? It's such a great feeling about those side bets. 40. 16. Okay, we need 2 high cards now. Fortunately, a 4 makes it 20. Congratulations, Feta's biggest, especially Zahi with a blackjack victory. Compared to the flush, an amazing side bet for Feta. Beautiful. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, shoe change. Let's go up next one. We'll do a lot more luckier. And alright, you know, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody on the table, come on, let's bet behind. Because somebody's on fire. Alright, good luck. Shoe change, bets made. Let's roll, ladies and gentlemen. Bets closed. And Martinez, we started with a perfect pair for you as well, but no side bets for you it was. Markonash. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm out of words. Let's play. 30-40. Alright, Paulo, congratulations on the blackjack victory, yeah. Mistala, second flush in a row, like at least a flush. And Marcos, yeah, colored pair. And 3 of a kind, once again, right? And let's go. You know, actually, I think 5 is the best set you can get. Yeah, I would do the same as you do. Because actually strategy advice is like, not advice says that you can double down on the blackjack on 10 against 5, alright? 13 double down, but the round is not over. Mistala, 11, would you like double down? Alright, these are already, it's like 42 to 2 payoff, double down. 18 double down, let's see. Alright, so, what do we need? We need simply a high card. Can we hit it? Here comes the queen, and dealer just cannot handle the lady. Everyone won. Congratulations, especially 2 double downs. Missed out Macintosh, split for Feta, and a blackjack for Paulo. An awesome job on side bet, guys. Awesome. Beautiful. I thought, you are so beautiful to me. Alright. Let's try to do this one more time, right? That's close. Alright, another 5 for the dealer. Alright, 2 blackjacks on the table for Mistala and Machine. Ooh, Machine, by the way, welcome to the table. It's like 11, I guess. Would you like double down? It's like, who's your daddy? I'm a blackjack. That's how you join the table, right? Just a hit, I guess. 17, stand by strategy. Machine and 69, 69, 69. Wow, that's kind of interesting machine do you have there. 8, we did not the 8. Mostly it's 18, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations to Macintosh, Zaki, especially Machine and Mr. of the blackjack victories. Hey, GST and NFPF, welcome. Maybe some nickname you'd like I to call you? Because GST and NFPF, it's not an easy one. Thank you. Alright, let's try to improve next round every seat winning team, right? That's close. 9 for the dealer. Okay, so this is gonna be a little bit tougher round, ladies and gentlemen. Feta, mixed pair, 6-1 payout. Would you like splits, I'll say? Stand it. Hit it. 20. A beautiful hit. I score will be good enough, right? Stand. Miss Dollar, you have the last decision of the round. 15. Okay, man, last decision. If you take a hit and it's a 6, you know, like still got a decision. You can like have like last 6 decisions. Or even the word. Stand it is. Stand it is. Alright, 12, ladies and gentlemen, we need a 10. Simple as that. Can we get it? Oh yes we can. We are beautiful. We boss. Everyone won. Alright. Congratulations. Complete to the mixed pair. 6-1 payout. That's what I call actually a teamwork. Hit, not a hit. Not a split, and a stance. Teamwork, ladies and gentlemen. Teamwork. Gooden Anderson. I thought good and bad will be. No. Welcome to the table, bet close. You know, Machine 69, he came, he got a BlackJack, he left. Bullseye, Mackinac, BlackJack victory for you. Alright, soft 16. Ooh, Zach is going high for the win number 10, right? Really need it. I will not try to think about this again. 10 wins in a row. Oof. That's like it's really actually high pressure always for me. I'm like, oh come on, I need it, I want to see that. It's actually one of my goals. Always when I come to the shit, for the pump, at least for one player, it'll be 10 wins in a row. Double down. 15 on double down. Yeah, not well. Let's see what the dealer has. And it's a 9 now. Need a low card. The worst of them all. 20 for the dealer. Thank you, Zeki, for your time. Best of luck. It's BlackJack for Mackinac. Alright, Mackinac, then you have next call. You need 10 wins. Or have the longest winning streak.